Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in today to Izzy the Tech Guy. Today we'll be discussing the count and the sum. Now, count and sum, they're both aggregate functions. However, they could be, I know sometimes people are using them incorrectly, so I'm going to go ahead and walk through when's the right time to use them and when's the wrong time to use them. So right here we're going to use our AdventureWorks data set. So I have the top one as a count, so I'll go ahead and run that and you'll see the results of this. So you see, so this, I'm doing a count of the first name, which my output is correct. Now let's do a sum. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I can't sum this. Let me select a different column that I can actually sum on, because that one is a string var or varchar, so I can't do that. Select star, select top 10. Let me do that. And let's see if I can get a column in this table. That's a, okay, so I'll use business entity. So let's switch this up. Copy this here, come down here, and again we're doing sum. So let's try to run both of them. Okay, so we see here now we're getting two different values, and that's the issue here. So this count, what's happening is counting each row, and what we're doing here, we're adding. So when you saw when I first pulled up business entity, it was probably adding 1 plus 2 and just so on. So this is giving a total of that row, not a count of that row, but a total of that row. So just one thing you want to understand is what it returns. So sum will return the sum of a numeric value in the specify field or column, and then the count will return the count of non-nulls, keyword non-nulls. So that is the difference between count and sum. So just make sure when you're using it, you're really trying to find the count of rows. And if you're using sum, I'll say mainly for accounting purposes. If you're trying to, like for example, sum up total dollars, you would do a sum there instead of a count. So hopefully you enjoy this short lesson, and leave a comment if there's anything else you want to learn or have questions about. Definitely put it in the comments and we'll reach out and see if we can make a video about that. Have a good day.